Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Zoom has microphone, camera, and disk permissions. This prevents dropped audio. Open the meeting and select record. Local saves to your PC, cloud saves to Zoom. Once done, pick speaker layout and enable separate audio tracks if you need individual channels for editing. Make sure to close background apps to avoid CPU spikes. If you're on battery, plug in. Unstable power can corrupt files, so stabilize before you press record. Now you manage the live recording. As the host, you can stop or pause everyone's recording. Use pause during long silences to save space. If you chose cloud, Zoom will process and provide a transcript, which speeds editing. Local files need manual organization. Make sure to spotlight or pin the active speaker for consistent framing. Keep an eye on file size and available storage. Once you hit limits, recordings can fail, so pause or split sessions when needed to maintain quality. To finish, stop recording and end the meeting. That triggers Zoom to finalize local files. If you used cloud, sign in and wait for processing. Don't delete the meeting yet. Once files are ready, download. MP4 video and M4A audio for editing. If a file looks corrupted after conversion, look in Zoom's temporary folder and run Zoom's built-in conversion. Often it recovers the raw recording. If that fails, check storage integrity and reprocess the cloud copy. These steps usually resolve errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.